Well guys, we are on to another topic, and today's topic is going to be on analyzing PPC campaign. So we have to analyze our PPC campaign that we have created in this video, your first PPC campaign. We have to analyze it and optimize it, guys. So let's get into analyzing our PPC campaign. So guys, how you can analyze the PPC campaign is you have to run the PPC campaign that we have created before for around 10 days, and after finishing 10 days, what you have to do is you have to go to reports and click on this advertising reports tab, guys. So as we click on to advertising report tab, as you can see here, report, and then on the fifth column, advertising reports. So after you click on the advertising reports tab, it will bring you to this page. Here you will get your advertising report, and what you have to do is you have to select the product that you have run for 10 days, and you have to click on this download tab. And after downloading this your PPC campaign that we have run for around 10 days, Amazon will provide you with Excel sheet. And after downloading that Excel sheet, you have to open that Excel sheet, and you have to see from which keyword you got sales, from which keyword your product got sales. So you have to analyze from which keyword you are getting sales, guys. So I'll be showing you how to optimize a PPC campaign in my next video.